Hello everybody, my name is Gyan Ghoda. I'm an 11th grader at the Academy for Information Technology at UCVTS in Scotch Plains. When I attended elementary school, I attended at AWR.
Hello everybody, my name is Anand Ghoda. I'm Gyan's younger brother. I'm in 6th grade and I go to AWR.
Today, we are excited to share with you the book that Anand and I wrote together called Score Python. This book is a programming tutorial written by kids for kids. In this book, we go over the fundamental programming concepts of a programming language called Python.
To make programming fun, we based all of our chapters around one big project, making a tic-tac-toe game. While learning programming, you guys will be able to make and play your very first Python game.
If you're interested in learning more, you can search up Score Python book on Amazon to find out more about the book, more about us, more about the writing process, or even if you want to purchase a paperback version or a Kindle version for yourself.
To finish off, we just wanted to say that we dedicated this book for young STEM learners like you. We hope to inspire the youth to enjoy learning and developing programming skills. We want to share with you guys of how we made this book and how you can make your own. We identified a 5-step process that you can use to write and publish your own book.
The first step is to identify a problem and try to find a solution for it. The problem that we identified was a lack of Python programming knowledge in the youth. To solve this problem, we based our entire programming book around teaching kids Python programming. To add a unique twist onto the book, we thought to ourselves, what better way to teach Python programming to the youth than for them to make their very own games? As a result, we based our entire Python programming book around a tic-tac-toe game project.
For our second step, we made a table of contents to plan out our book and to lay out the structures of the individual chapters.
The third step is to actually start writing your own chapters. We started writing them one by one, following the table of contents that we sent out beforehand. The way our book was structured, our book was divided into 2 main sections per chapter. We had one learning section where you learned the Python concepts that you needed for the project section, which was the second section. Each of the project sections in each of the chapters led up, and when combined, would lead you to make a tic-tac-toe game. The way that Anand and I divided the work between those sections was that Anand actually did the code for the project sections and I did all the writing for the learning sections.
As the fourth step, the reviewers will review the book. This step is very important for the whole process to improve the quality of the book. Once we finished the chapter, we would send it to an 11th grader who was in the US and a 5th grader who was in India. They would test the code and read the chapters to see if any improvements can be made.
The 5th step is to publish your book. Anand and I self-published our book on Amazon. Amazon has a process where you can upload, format, create your cover page, and actually publish the book in both a paperback and Kindle format. Using this process, you guys can also publish your own books if you write them.
We're not stopping here. We're focusing on even younger kids for our next book, Score Scratch, coming out in summer 2021, where we will explore the Scratch programming language.
Happy coding!